Another failed payment. Another lost subscriber. Another hour lost in spreadsheets. Sound familiar? Meet Recurio, subscription management for WooCommerce that finally works. Built to help you sell more, retain more, and stress less. Create any subscription you want. Daily, monthly, yearly. You control the rules. Offer free trials. Add sign-up fees. Your business, your way. CMRR, monthly recurring revenue, churn, and lifetime value at a glance. No guessing, just clarity. Automated emails keep customers informed, without manual work. Customers manage subscriptions themselves. You handle fewer support tickets. And when payments fail, Smart Dunning recovers revenue automatically. Smart Churn Prediction shows who's about to leave before they do. Join thousands of WooCommerce store owners using smarter subscriptions. Try Recurio free today. Subscriptions simplified.